Welcome to Mind Trap English. Spot the word that makes the sentence perfect. Even fluent speakers get these wrong. Total question 20. You have 10 seconds for each question. You may push the video if you need more time. Don't be shy, comment your score. Wish you the best of luck. Question 1. Which verb tense correctly completes the sentence? Answer: goes. The present simple goes is used for habitual actions. Question 2. Which preposition correctly completes the sentence? Answer: in. The preposition in is used with interested to indicate a subject or activity. Question 3. Which pronoun correctly completes the sentence? Answer: which. Which is the correct relative pronoun for non-human subjects like a house. Question 4. Which verb form correctly completes the sentence? Answer: were. The subjunctive were is used in hypothetical situations with if clauses. Question 5. Which word correctly completes the sentence? Answer: exciting. The adjective exciting describes the concert's quality. Question 6. Which verb tense correctly completes the sentence? Answer: will have finished. The future perfect will have finished indicates completion before a future point. Question 7. Which verb form correctly completes the sentence? Answer: arrive. The subjunctive mood uses the base form arrive after its essential that. Question 8. Which phrasal verb correctly completes the sentence? Answer: called off. Called off means to cancel, fitting the context of the meeting. Question 9. Which sentence structure is correct? Answer: never have I. Inversion is required with never at the start, making never have I correct. Question 10. Which verb form correctly completes the sentence? Answer: did. Did is the correct past tense of the verb do for a completed action. Question 11. Which verb form correctly completes the sentence? Answer: forgot. Forgot is the correct past tense of the irregular verb forget. Question 12. Which verb form correctly completes the sentence? Answer: been. Been is the correct past participle for have in the present perfect tense. Question 13. Which verb form correctly completes the sentence? Answer: ran. Ran is the correct past tense of the irregular verb run. Question 14. Which verb form correctly completes the sentence? Answer: was singing. The past continuous was singing describes an ongoing action interrupted in the past. Question 15. Which verb form correctly completes the sentence? Answer: seen. Seen is the correct past participle for the present perfect tense with see. Question 16. Which verb tense correctly completes the sentence? Answer: will have completed. The future perfect will have completed indicates completion by a future time. Question 17. Which preposition correctly completes the sentence? Answer: for. The preposition for is used to indicate duration of time. Question 18. Which verb form correctly completes the sentence? Answer: follow. The base form follow follows the modal verb must. Question 19. Which verb form correctly completes the sentence? Answer: is. Either is singular, so the singular verb is correct. Question 20. Which phrasal verb correctly completes the sentence? Answer: turned off. Turned off means to switch off, fitting the context of lights. Want to improve your English fast? Subscribe now and turn on the bell so you never miss a quiz.